Wondering what your business is worth? This video shows you how to get a free instant business valuation estimate with Venturu's tool. First thing we're going to do is going to head to Venturu.com and scroll all the way down to find this free business valuation link. We're going to click it. And now we're going to provide the location of the business. One thing to notice is that the more accurate we are, the better estimate we're going to have. So we can provide a postcode, a city, a state, but an address will always give us the best result. For now, I'm just going to provide a city for demo purposes, and I'm going to click next. Now we're going to provide the type of business that we have. In this case, we have a restaurant, and click next. And finally, we're going to provide some very simple details about our business. So it was established in 2018. The restaurant has had the same name for over 10 years. No, the annual revenue is 900,000. And I personally made 230,000 the past year. How many hours do I work? 40 hours. And do you have any advantages? Or special recipe doesn't count, so no. And what is the annual profit of the restaurant? It's around 260,000. And the business is pretty steady month to month. Yes, it is. All right, and there we go. This is all the data that we need. Now we're going to use our own proprietary business valuation model to give you an estimate of what you could get for your business. So in order to provide this number, we use a lot of data from past transactions, from trends, from the region that you're at, from your competitors, and we pull all that data together and just give you a range of what you could be getting. So it's that simple. Get a reliable idea of your business value estimate in minutes with no cost or obligation. Try the free valuation tool today at Venturu.com.